Hello, today we'll show you how to clean any washing machine drain pump filter step by step so that your washing machine will work for years. This cleaning should be done at least once a year. The drain pump filter cleaning is the same for 99% of washing machine. So the knowledge you learned today can be used at any time. Today I will clean my grandmother's Electrolux washing machine which hasn't been cleaned in over a year. Cleaning is very easy. The main thing is not to flood the neighbors. Manufacturers already remind you to clean your pockets before washing your clothes, but we have all forgotten something in our pockets at some point. Start with remove the front cover where the filter is. Other manufacturers have the filter under the front panel, but it's best to look in your washing machine manual to find where the filter is located. Then find the cloth to keep the moisture out of the neighbors. You can also push the fabric cloth under the washing machine. I will use a small plastic bag to channel the water onto the cloth, not under the washing machine. Some washing machines have a special tube to drain the water, but that won't be the case here. It says which way to turn it to open and which way to turn it to close. Then you can slowly unscrew the drain pump filter cover and see if it works. Luckily you are in the Techscrew channel and the granny who lives one floor below won't be fooled. You can already see that the water is very dirty and something terrible is waiting for me there. If you feel brave, you can unscrew the filter cover more so that there is more flow and it happens faster. When most of the water has drained out, you can risk pulling the filter out, as it stinks. It's probably sludge. Very dirty, as you can see. The next step is to wash the filter under running water. As you can see, you want to wash this filter with running water alone. Take a toothbrush. I didn't have one, so I took my sister's toothbrush. Don't forget to put the toothbrush back afterward. Wash all the gaps and the stainers. Don't forget to wash your hands because I wouldn't recommend eating pizza with unwashed hands. Once the filter has been cleaned, clean the drain pump tunnel itself with a damp cloth or paper towel. Then put the clean filter back in place and screw it in properly so that the neighbors are not flooded when washing clothes. Put the decorative cap back on, clean the floor, and that's it. You've saved your grandma's washing machine from a damp up and damaged drain pump that could cost a lot of pizzas to repair. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to motivate me for more useful home videos. Thank you and good luck!